In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the BBC iPlayer app with your Google Chromecast device using your Android smartphone. So for this, you will need to download the BBC iPlayer app. This is available from the Google Play Store. I will also put the link in the description. You will also need to sign up to use the BBC iPlayer app. Just enter your email address and choose a password and then confirm your account. Also make sure that your Google Chromecast is plugged into your TV and is set up and connected to the internet and so on. So once you've installed the iPlayer, launch the iPlayer on your phone. Once the iPlayer launches, you will see towards the top right hand corner, there's a little icon, a little cast icon, looks like a TV. So click on that and then select your Chromecast device. In my case, mine is called bedroom TV. Yours will just be called Chromecast unless you change the name. So select your Chromecast device and you should see within a few seconds your TV will now display BBC iPlayer ready to cast. So your Chromecast is now connected to your Android phone. So then you can just then browse the programs on the BBC iPlayer. So for example, if I choose Blue Planet, I can then click on the little play icon, which is over towards the left hand side. So click on that. It will then display a casting message. It should then start playing within the next 5 to 10 seconds on your TV. So once it starts playing on your TV, you can also use the timeline here along the bottom to go backwards and forward on the particular program you're watching. You can also use the pause button here and reset and play. You can also choose the volume here to mute and to play the sound again. You can also choose subtitles and so on, and just go backwards and forward on the timeline to go to a different point in the video. So basically it's as simple as that. Just remember to click on the cast icon up in the top right hand corner and everything should be good to go. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.